At the heart of Bangkok lies the Grand Palace, a masterpiece of Thai architecture and culture. Since its construction in 1782, it has served as a royal residence and the spiritual centre of the nation. As you step through the gate of the Grand Palace, your first stop will be the building on the right. If you're appropriately dressed, you'll be allowed to proceed. Otherwise, you'll be provided with suitable attire. Keep in mind that the palace grounds can be quite hot, and an extra layer of clothing might be uncomfortable. It's best to arrive already dressed according to the palace's dress code. Next, follow the path to the ticket office. Once you have your ticket, head left towards the entrance gate, where you'll leave the outer court and enter the Wat Phra Kaew quarter. Straight ahead, you'll see the rear wall of Wat Phra Kaew, Thailand's most important temple, also known as the Temple of the Emerald Buddha. In front of it stands a black statue of a seated hermit. Turn left to explore the murals along the cloister wall that surrounds the temple precinct. These murals depict scenes from the Ramakien, a Thai epic similar to the Hindu Ramayana. The giants guarding the gates, which punctuate the walls at various points, are all unique and have their own names. The large golden Phra Si Rattana Chedi houses Buddha relics from Sri Lanka. Adjacent to it, up the steps, is the Phra Mondop, which houses various important religious texts. Nearby, the Prasat Baidon houses life-size images of all of Thailand's kings since the palace was constructed in 1782. This building is open to the public on April 6th each year. The golden chedis at the far end of the raised area were built to commemorate the parents of King Rama I. Also on this elevated area is a detailed scale model of Angkor Wat in Cambodia. The Chao Phraya, located on the far side of the raised area near Phra Si Rattana Chedi, houses hundreds of gold urns containing the ashes of royal family members. Next to it is Prasat Kudakan Wihan Yot, which holds many important Buddha images. The Hopra Montiantum, located nearby, hosts various Buddhist sermons and other functions, and was formerly a classroom for trainee monks. Continue around toward the front of Wat Phra Kaew, where the gate between the two colourful stupas leads to the toilets. One of the best spots to view the line of 8 stupas is beside the toilet block. Return to the Temple of the Emerald Buddha. Before entering, leave your shoes on one of the racks outside, remove your hat, and ensure your body is suitably covered. You should already be familiar with the dress code. Also, be mindful not to point your feet towards the Buddha. The Emerald Buddha itself is only 66 centimeters tall and, despite its name, is not made of emerald. It is dressed according to the season, of which there are 3 in Thailand: hot, cold, and rainy. Exit the temple enclosure by passing the bell tower toward the gate in the corner. This will lead you to the middle court, where the architecture differs noticeably. To the left, if the gate is open, you can catch a glimpse of Phra Tinang Borompiman, where state visitors are often accommodated. Turning right, the first buildings on your left were formerly the king's residence. Construction began in 1782, with expansions and improvements continuing ever since. The throne hall closest to the road is often open for public viewing. This is where the king would meet dignitaries and conduct important state ceremonies and business. The next building, Chakri Maha Prasat, set back from the road, was built during the reign of King Rama V. The original plan was to build it in a European style with a domed roof, but the Thais later decided to design the roof in traditional Thai style. The changing of the guard occurs here at 10 a.m. noon and 2 p.m. Through the gate at the end of the road, you'll find Phra Maha Prasat, where kings and senior royals lie in state. Unfortunately, the palace's inner court, located behind the regal buildings of the middle court, is not open to the public. The palace was once considered a city within a city, governed by its own laws. The surrounding defensive wall, still completely intact, is similar to the one that once protected Bangkok, which is now almost entirely demolished. Finally, after Phra Maha Prasat, leave through the gate and turn right to the exit on the way passing the Temple of the Emerald Buddha Museum, which contains various artifacts relating to the palace and Thai history. If you need refreshment after your visit, consider the reasonably priced restaurants with river views at nearby Wang Lang. Turn left out of the palace, head to the river, and then turn right to reach the second pier building, where ferries depart regularly throughout the day. The restaurants overlook Wang Lang Pier on the other side, and the stairs to them are straight ahead as you disembark. For more videos and information about Bangkok, visit our website at goingtobangkok.com. There's a link in the description.